Hey, what's going on, buddy? In this tutorial we are going to learn about list. So to do this, let's delete this all first, and we are going to say ul, which is named as unordered list, and inside that we are going to add an item, list item, and we are going to copy we are going to say something like item num1, and we are going to copy it for 3 times, and 2 3. Okay, so save it and go back to the browser and refresh it, and you can see the list is over here, which is with some dot beside the item num. Right now what we are going to do is, this is an unordered list. We are going to make an order list. To do the order list, we are going to go over here and change it to O, which means ordered list. And we are gonna go back. Okay, first we save the file, then we are gonna go back, and if we refresh it we can see that 1 2 3 is over here, and we're gonna go back, and what are you going to do is we are going to make the list on a style. To do this, we are going to say class list on a styled, and we are going to save it and go back, and if we refresh now we can see that there are no style anymore, no bullet point or no number. And we are going to go back again, and what we're going to do is we want to make all these lists item into the same line. So to do this, we are going to say list in line, and we are gonna save it again, and we are gonna go back and refresh it, and we can see that all of these items are into the same line. And we are gonna go back again, and right now what we are going to do is we are going to make list description, which is fun, kind of fun. So to do this, we are going to say dl, and we are going to say over here dl, which is description list, and over here list, there's not gonna be any more list item. Instead of it, we are going to say description title and finish it, and we are going to say description details and finish it. So description title and description detail, we are going to say description, oh no, it's better if we say title 1, and if it's description 1, and we will copy paste it for 3 times, and we are going to change it to make it to 3, and we are going to delete this class. We don't need this class anymore, and we are going to save it and go back, and we will see that we are having a list description here, or description list here. So we want this title over here and the description on the side or on the right side. To do this, we are gonna go back, and we are going to say class it should be dl, oh sorry, dl hyphen horizontal. Save it, go back, and we will see that right now title is over here, then description on the side or beside. So I think this is all for the description list. Right now we are going to work with the code. To do this, let's delete this first, and to work with the code, what we are going to do is, initially we are going to say body tag contains the visible elements of the HTML file. So we want this to be shown like this, exactly like this into the browser. To do this, if we basically do this into the into this line here, this body tag won't be shown into your browser. To make the body tag shown into your browser, what you are going to do is this less than and the greater than sign will be changed into another format, which is called ampersand, and we are going to say less than, which is LT, and we are gonna give a semicolon here, and for this we are going to give another ampersand. We are going to say greater than or GT and put a semicolon here. What's gonna happen is that this body will be converted into a body tag, and control save it, go back to your browser and refresh it. You will see that body is right now into a tag format. So this is how the code works. Alright, right now we are going to do something which is user input for the code. So to do this, we are going to say, for example, we are going to say press control or CTRL for entering a line break. This is just a text, okay? So what we are meaning over here is that we have to press the control key into our keyboard to have a line break. Go back to the browser and you can see that that's a plain text over here. So if we do something over here such as cavity and finish it with the tag with cavity again and save it, and we are gonna go back and we will see now that control CTRL is now into another format, which is suggesting us to press the key or CTRL key. Alright, that's all about the code, I guess. Yep. See you into the next tutorial.